Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the market update for November 11, 2021. So as you can see that the last couple of days the market it yet to go sideways choppy after the run up in October up to the top here. So they ran out of gas, so they pull back a little bit, but overall trend is still bullish. We are still in the strong month for the stock market, so the market will just be sideways here a little bit, and then they will find a way to put it back up. As you can see that the last couple days here, you can see that a lot of big cap stock they have a trouble to move higher, but a lot of small cap stock they doing very well. And I'm going to pick some of the stock that related to the electric vehicle, and so that you can see they are trying to turn around. They have the Russell 2000 to put it up to the upside. So, and if you look at the Nasdaq, you can also see that they pull back down because the last couple of days the weird thing happened. The 10-year Treasury note, the interest rate is start increasing to the level inflation that they shoot it up. But let's see what they're going to do at this level here. They have some resistance here. As long as they can contend here, and then the market it still be able to push it back up for a lot of technology stock. But if they break this level and go higher, that will be more trouble for the inflation and the interest rate. They can push it up. Also, they will hurt a lot of corporate earnings. So let's see how they lay out. The Dow it also pulled back down today. As you can see that the Disney, one of the heavy component in there, they have a bad earnings, so they pull the Dow down. But that's not that's not the point. The point here because the market have been run up too fast. So they need to digest those again here a little bit before they can build up momentum to move higher. But you look at the Russell 2000, they were able to break out the sideways formation here, so they run up. So now they pull back a little bit, so that they can build up some more momentum. So this area used to become a resistance, now become a support. So they will dancing around here, and then they will find a way to put it up again. If you look at the crude oil is still hit to the top here, but again they keep going up and then they run too fast. So we'll see what they are going to do here. Either they pull back a little bit before they can move higher, okay, or they can hold up here and continue to go to the upside there. Okay, but this one here a little bit extended also for the oil here. Okay, and if you look at the gold on the other hand, they've been able to break a downtrend line here. Now they continue to push it up, so they have strong sales on here. Let's see, they'll be able to get to that level. If you look at the volatility index, last couple of days, the market shoot it up. They hit right into resistance, so they pull back down. So if it want to come back down, the market is still have room to put it back up. But if they try to break this level here, then that will be trouble for the market. But at this moment, they are still choppy, but still below the downtrend line. So technically, they still be able to go down further. They will have the stock to move higher. If you look at the Bitcoin, it continue to make it high, low. So the trend is still the uptrend. So they are still in the upside. Look at the Ethereum, it's also pretty strong. Okay, no sign of giving up yet. They still continue to put high, low to the upside. If you let me see here. So this week you can see it a lot of big cap stock, right? The Tesla, they also hit the top and then they pull back. Okay, in the correction right now. Amazon, that's another one you can see here. They come back, they run out of gas, so they need to pull back down. Apple, they all have the same problem. So they run up too fast, so now they need to pull back a little bit so that they can build some more momentum and ready for the holiday season. But in terms of the sector, you can see that the XLK is still very strong here, even though they pull back. But the good thing here, because in this sector, a lot of semiconductor, they are doing very well. So you can see that a lot of companies like Applied Material, right? Nvidia, okay, they all very strong stock. Let me see, Xilinx, LNX, right? So, okay, and you see those stocks is extremely strong here. Okay, KLA 10 core, okay, KLAC, okay, so that's another strong one too. So you can see that a lot of semiconductor, they are pretty strong. That's why they can keep the technology sector XLK and continue to put it up. And the XLI, which is the industrial, they are trying to break through this level, but they are losing momentum, so they will pull back. So this one that used to be a resistance, now they can be a support here. Probably they try to fill up the gap here. So a lot of stock in this sector have been doing very well, but some of them they fall behind. They try to run catch up, but the good one is like FedEx. They still hang tight to the upside there. Catabella, they push it back up, and then they hit to resistance, they pull back down. Now let's see they were able to hold on and find a way up again. But a lot of big cap one, just like Honeywell, okay. Honeywell, they still have some, they go up too fast here, so they are hit to resistance. They couldn't break to it. They still have to pull back again. And if you look at the financial sector, it also try to put it back up, but even though they are still sideways. But if the interest rate go up, they will have to bank top. So right now they are still sideways choppy, but the momentum is still, they try to make a bull flag here. If they can break out, they will continue to move higher. So a lot of stock in that sector we have been followed, like Bank America, they are still hang tight to the upside. SBNY, that's another big bank here. They are run up, but they still hang tight to the upside, but a little bit too far here. Okay, so SCSW, so those stock that I put it up on the Tuesday, they are still running. Okay, so they go up, they go sideways, and then they will find a way to put it one more leg up in the future here. The XLV, which is the biotechnology, the healthcare bio, they have to hang around here. The trend is still up, but they are run up too fast, so they pull back down. So it's still choppy around here. Let's see if they can hold on and build some momentum. But the overall trend, they still try to find a way to go up. But a lot of stock, they get hammered in this sector, like MRNA. Okay, this one here is still in the trouble after they failed the earning here. But in the other hand, Pfizer, they are doing extremely well, right? And then they continue to push it up there. Okay, and a couple of stocks that we highlight for you. Let me see here what they do in NO. Okay, so this one here, they run up too fast, so they are sideways choppy too. GTS, okay, that's another fast moving. Yep, they are run out of gas, so they need to pull back. Okay, and the energy sector, it also with the oil price continue to put it up, but now they go sideways. So a lot of stock in the energy sector, they are still sideways choppy here. Okay, and but some of them are like NEE, okay, it's still strong to the upside there. PDCE, okay, this one here is still in the uptrend, and CVX, a lot of big cap here, they are still in the uptrend, but they're in a sideways correction right now. So a lot of stock in the green energy sector is still doing well with a lot of money from the infrastructure deal. They will put it up to green energy, so those stocks are still pretty strong there. ICLN, that's another one, still hang tight to the upside. Okay, let me see here. Energy, that's another one. Plume Energy, BE, still hang tight to them. So the last couple of days that you see that the Russell 2000 they try to turn around. They have a strong momentum. So with a lot of small cap stock and mid cap stock, they'll be able to push it back up. So they have this index try to move higher. So we can see that momentum, they start shipping into a lot of electric vehicle, so truck and those kind of stuff, and a charging station. So today that I will go to pick up the three of the stock that belong to the electric vehicle. So they are a charging station, because on the bill they will put out a lot of $1 billion there to support the infrastructure, and then with high demand on the electric vehicle, so a lot of charging stations, they still keep booming. They will be able to build more charging stations around the country. So those companies are still doing well. So the first one is the, let me see, ENPS. Okay, so this one is the clean energy. They still very strong here. ENPS. Okay, let's see, that belong to those kind of stuff. And the second one is PLUG. Okay, that's the plug power. So this one here is still pretty strong there. Still, after they found the support here, they continue to push it back up to the upside. And the next one is the BLNK. This is another strong one here. Okay, so they also push it back up, try to find a support, and then push it back up again. Let me see here. Okay, and I think that yep. So that those stocks that belong to the charging station, Berry, another one here, they're pretty strong here. They are at the quantum scap. This one is after they drop from here down below here. Now they'll be able to find a momentum and push it back to the upside. Okay, so that four stock here that pretty strong, that related to the clean energy, related to the electric vehicle, and then those stocks that in the small cap stock, they are very strong and find a way back. As long as the Russell 2000 continue to put back up, those stocks will continue to move higher. Okay, so that all I have it for you today. So we have one more day to see how the market doing, and then we will analyze more detail and give you see next week we can find any more opportunity. So besides this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist. So we will analyze a lot of stock in detail. So when we see the opportunity, we will list it out with the entry and a target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. So please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. And thank you for watching. I will see you on the weekly market forecast. Take care, everyone.